Hi YouTube, it's Candy, aka Candy Sweet Enough, and I'm getting ready for bed and it's really late, but I want to make a quick video and I didn't want to show myself because I'm ready for bed. So here, believe you can and you're halfway there. You can look at that while I talk. But I just wanted to respond real quickly to Rosemary's video about thumbs down, and I had a comment made on one of my videos. And it was a guy saying, "Lady," on, it was like all caps, "Lady, don't you know that whey protein can make you fat if you're not exercising it off?" I can't, it's something to that effect, and it hurt my feelings and stuff, but I went to his profile and he didn't even have any videos. The only videos he watched were like gaming videos. So obviously just a loser that was looking for information about protein and fell on mine, and so he thought was on some weightlifting thing, and it wasn't, and yeah, whatever. It really didn't, it bugged me at the moment, but then later on I realized it didn't matter. And I've had thumbs down on my videos, and I want you guys to remember, YouTube is not just for the weight loss community. We're making these videos for the weight loss community, but that doesn't mean that's always who's watching it. There's a lot of kids and teens on YouTube. So, when you get a thumbs down, it's not necessarily from somebody from the community. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but you know what? Don't let it bother you. Remember that there's kids that think it's funny to go down through and thumbs down anything and everything. So honestly, I don't think it's always people being mean. I think that sometimes it's just people passing through. And how some people find my videos, I don't know. I googled Candy is Sweet Enough and found my videos stolen and put all over the internet, and along with most of my friends. Realized that happens. So don't get your feelings hurt about stuff, okay? It doesn't necessarily mean anything. I'm going to accept it as a childish prank, and that is that. So I just wanted to put that out there so you guys can think about it. Good night.